Now say I love Uncle Ray so I can send this to Uncle Ray.
I love Uncle Ray.
Virginia, come. Say I love Uncle Ray.
I love Uncle Ray.
What are you doing there? He's trying to put those boots on.
No.
No. I told you no a million times. Oh.